Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So amoral and immoral. So amoral, so not thinking or considering whether the actions are right or wrong. That amoral decision was his first. We often make amoral choices in life, neither good nor bad. Yeah, it's amoral. Yeah. Machines and tools are amoral. Amoral. They are neither good nor bad. They're neutral. They are neither good nor bad. They are neutral. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Sometimes they make amoral choices without consulting others. Yeah. Why did he make so many amoral choices in his life? Yeah, just neither good nor bad, just equal and neutral. Yeah. But immoral, yeah, like this. Yeah, there we are. An action that is considered wrong. Yeah. That was very immoral. Yes. Doing that is immoral. Yeah. People think that is wrong and immoral. Yeah. Only immoral people do that. Yeah. Yes, do that. Yeah. So their immoral actions will come back to haunt them. Do something bad and wrong now, and in the future it'll affect you. It'll come back and haunt you. Don't do immoral actions like lying to people, because it can affect you in the future. It can come back to haunt you. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So amoral, neither here nor there, just actions, wrong, and it's okay, or neutral. And immoral, yeah. So can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.